It is no news as Microsoft shut down Internet Explorer on June 15, 2022. Tech giant Microsoft have shut down Microsoft Internet Explorer browser on June 15, 2022. That is, anyone that is using Internet Explorer will not be able to use the browser again. Internet Explorer was introduced in 1995. That's 27 years ago, and after that it has been really different versions were being made, and users has been using this browser to browse the internet. And in 2003, almost 95% of Microsoft users use Internet Explorer. However, in the year 2016, Microsoft introduced another browser which is called Microsoft Edge, and with the introduction of Microsoft Edge, people were no longer using Internet Explorer like that. And in 2013, Internet Explorer released version 11, and that was the final version of Internet Explorer. And in June 15, 2022, Internet Explorer is no more after 27 years. So why was Internet Explorer shut down? Microsoft actually announced that Internet Explorer needed to be shut down because they have to improve on their browser. So this incremental improvement to Internet Explorer couldn't match the general improvement to the web at large. So we started fresh. Microsoft Edge is faster, more secure and modern browser. The best browser for Windows, designed for today's internet, Microsoft actually explained. And today, Internet Explorer is no more. So when you discover that Internet Explorer is not working, just know that it has been shut down. Please make sure you subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.